Hello Wolfpack! I'm Stephanie from Crown Wolf Creations, and today I'm making 4 bookmarks. I'm going to be using 4 different types of acrylic to see how each one engraves and cuts. First up is the pink mirror acrylic. I initially engraved and cut on the mirror side, but it left a lot of cracking along the edges, making the bookmark look very messy. So I decided to try again. This time, I mirrored the design and engraved the back side of the acrylic instead. The results were much cleaner, both for the engraving and the cut edges. Next, I used a light yellow acrylic. I started with the default settings in the xTool application. The engraving worked, but it was pretty light and lacked the detail I was hoping for. I added some black acrylic paint to help the engraving stand out, but even then the details weren't quite what I wanted them to be. So I ran another test with a deeper engraving. While it was still difficult to see before painting, the black acrylic paint really brought the design to life. The final result turned out fantastic. The third acrylic I tested was clear acrylic. Overall, I was happy with how it turned out. If I were to make it again, I would increase the engraving settings slightly for better visibility and maybe choose a different font for the name. Lastly was the iridescent acrylic. This one turned out beautifully on the first try. The way it catches and reflects the light makes it look absolutely stunning. And there we have it, 4 beautiful bookmarks made with 4 different types of acrylic, each with its own unique look and personality. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more laser engraving projects, tips, and product tests. Thanks for watching, Wolfpack. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next creation. Alpha Steph, out.